Hello everyone. Today I am demonstrating a project focused on bulk user provisioning and identity and access management automation. In a corporate environment, when HR hires a large number of people across different departments like IT, finance, sales, and legal, then an IT administrator cannot create these accounts manually because manual creation is slow, repetitive, and prone to human error. So, my goal in this project is to automate the entire joiner lifecycle with 100% accuracy and system security. This project stands the enterprise level standards because I have ensured three main things. The first one is error handling. I used try catch blocks in the script to intercept any bad data, such as missing first name or last name, and the script will also not crash and runs smoothly. The second thing is security. I utilized a Gmail SMTP relay with app specific tokens, which will use a 16 digit characteristic code to run the script, and that code could be revoked at any time. The third thing is lifecycle communication. Every new hire receives a real time email upon their account creation. Our script will also create a timestamped txt log file which will record all the administrator actions inside it. The tools which I am using in this project is Gmail SMTP Relay, PowerShell ISC, and Microsoft Excel. So let's take a look to our data on which we are working. So here is our new hire CSV file. We will open it. This is our source file, and we have 500 users in this, including their first name, last name, department, title, and their email. You can see I have added 500 users in this. But as anyone in IT knows, source data is rarely 100% clean. So I will intentionally make this data a bad data. What I will do, I will intentionally remove the first name and last name from couple of users so that we can test our script if it's working properly or not. I will also remove the last name. We will remove couple of names. And since we are using SMTP relay for sending email to everyone, but we cannot send email to each and everyone. I mean, we cannot send email to 500 persons at a time. So what I will do, I will make where is itinerary? Yeah, I will edit this here and make myself as a user, and will edit this Gmail to my original mail, and I will edit the script to send email to this mailing address so that we can confirm our script is running well. Now our data is prepared and our CSV file is finalized. So let's save our CSV file and move to the logic of our script. So we will save our file We'll click save and we'll move to the script. So this is our PowerShell script and I will try to explain all the parts of our script. We start with the file paths. These lines in our script tells the script from where to pull the employee data and where to save the log file. The next part is Gmail setting. This Gmail configuration is one of the most critical parts of our project. While I could have skipped this part, but I choose to integrate this part in our project to make it look professional. In a standard email exchange, we usually have a separate sending and receiving server. But for this project, I am acting as both. I am acting as the sending server also, and I am acting as a receiving server also. But however, Google blocks everyone to send emails or to use email within the scripts. But we will use our script to send email by using a app password. This is a unique code that grants the script a permission to authenticate securely without compromising with the main account. So we will also get a secure app password. I will also show you that part also. But now I will move to the next part, which is the validation logic. This part in the script inspects the first and last names in the CSV. If it detects any error, it will show us a message that is critical missing identity data in CSV row. The next block is the user creation section. These lines of our scripts are actually which processes those 500 names and provisions their account directly into our system. The next part is email trigger. If we try to send 500 emails at once, then Google will flag the account for spamming. To prevent this, I have designed a conditional email trigger. Our script will look for first name Tarun and last name Singh. If it finds a user named Tarun Singh, then it will fetch its email address and send a one-time email with welcoming as a new hire. This email proves that our automated communication is working well, and we will also avoid the risk of spamming and blocking. Finally, we have a reporting phase. Once the script finishes, it generates a new log file. This gives us a full breakdown of the operation and highlights any error that need manual review. So let's get our app password first. So we will open our Google account setting, and in this search bar we will search app password. We will choose the first option. In IT, it's not usually a good thing to share your passwords, but I will delete this password before uploading the video. So we could give any name to our app. So let's say I will give user provisioning and I will click create. Remember, you have to copy this password on the very first time. If you click done, then there is no way you can see this password again. So we will paste our password here and we will delete any space in between. Now this password will allow us to send an email using a script. Otherwise, Google doesn't allow to operate or use or send any email just using a script. You have to manually send your emails. But now we have our app password, so our script will help us to send email. So everything is set now. Our CSV file is finalized. We also got the app password and our script also looks fine. So let's run this script. We will see what will happen. So as we can see, our script run very well, and this also shows the success of our project. As we can see here, our script identifies all the bad data in our CSV file and marked it as failed in red color, and also we can see the email sending step. This was the most critical step of our project, and our script identifies the user and sent the email successfully. Our script must also have created a log file which we can check here. Yeah, our provisioning log text file is here. We can open it and check everything which is recorded and time stamped. As we can see, it recorded the critical missing identity data in CSV row. It recorded all the bad data. So this log file will be useful to the admin for any future reference, as it saves all the data inside. We will also check our inbox if we got any new hire email. Yeah, as we can see, I got a new hire email which says, "Hi Tarun, welcome to your IT team." This shows the successful completion of our project. Thank you.